this suit for my birthday coming up.
Okay.
So
This is a birthday suit, or you want something that you could like actually like
something I could wear too.
multiple times?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got something similar, very similar to that.
Really? And I know you got some navy pants, right?
I do got some maybe.
This sort of feels a little different.
You can support, you can support the resource to get to their therapy or chemo.
Okay. You said some of your clients, they want the business cards. Why do they want it? Let me grab my wallet and I'll let everything leave.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Yeah.
All right, this is yours.
Okay.
So you need this when you're picking up your suit. In fact, just give me your phone number and we'll give you a call when your suit's ready.
All right, I got you.
So do you have like a card or anything?
Absolutely. Got a phone?
Okay.
Just tap it. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All right, bet.
Manuel, appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Good
Thank
doing
you, brother.
business.
Thank you. I'll be in a week,
All right, brother.
All right, take care.